Post-reflection ITEC 7600 Personalized Learning in Technology-Rich Environments. Kendra Robinson, Spring 2019. What I now know about personalized learning is it's a concept that is complex in nature. Establishing set guidelines for a PL environment can be ambiguous because educational systems are still determining ways to achieve this setting and incorporate their own understanding of how to meet elements that a PL environment requires, simultaneously following mandated policies from their educational district. Personalized learning is student-centered, however, it is unique and requires the student to initiate their learning process and possess student agency where they understand their learning needs and are able to advocate for themselves. Personalized learning allows students to share responsibility with the teacher in how knowledge is constructed. The notion that students are blank canvases are debunked, and this system allows them not only to be confident in sharing their thoughts, but their strengths and knowledge is a valuable tool as well. To understand the best way to achieve their learning outcomes, students derive their own learning targets through collaboration as the facilitator and establishes due dates for obtaining the unit. Students are the learner's voice. Essentially, they determine the best way to fit and differentiate their learning styles. Personalized learning is efficient with the use of 21st century skills, but not necessarily required. Technology does allow students to access content in various forms. It supports students in creating tasks that are authentic and meaningful and would not be feasible in a traditional setting. Ultimately, personalized learning empowers all individuals to believe in their abilities and to move away from the notion that a set criteria has to be learned in a fixed time. Personalized learning values the uniqueness of each student, tailoring their educational journey to ensure their success.